Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Oh, got a little bit of the Wizard of Oz screen being exposed. Surprise, that back wall is not really wood. So check this out, people. There's blood on the streets right now in the crypto markets. This is a green shirt. It should actually be red. This is what we're going to do today. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I'm just going to shoot off rapidly on the state of the markets and some news that I think you guys should be aware of. All right, so let's get right into it without any further ado. Let me share the screen that I have for you all. All right, there we go. So hopefully you guys could see this. Gucci is accepting crypto in leap for luxury industry. They are now accepting Bitcoin. I just wanted to touch on this because, these large retail stores such as Gucci, luxury brands accepting Bitcoin, further is the case being made that Bitcoin and this entire asset class is not going anywhere. So these shops, Rodeo Drive in Los Angeles, the Miami District, Design District, shops at Crystals in Las Vegas, they will be accepting payments in more than 10 currencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, and 5 stable coins that are pegged to US dollar. Also, they're going to accept Dogecoin. Very, very interesting. I'm not going to sit too long on this story. I'm going to move on. France has become the first big European nation to grant crypto giant Binance regulatory approval, further showing adoption is gaining momentum. All right. One thing that I do want to share with you all is that the saying, sell in May and go away, is really being lived out at the moment. I have the algo chart here. Let's take a step back and look at the monthly. And we are going to see, we've been in a downtrend for quite some time. This altcoin has suffered quite a bit. The next step down would be about 36 cents, although we have seen some bullish movement with Algo in particular since they have signed with FIFA. They have signed a deal with FIFA. I'm going to pull this up here. I did not even plan on getting into this. But that's the coin that was on my charts. Algorand and FIFA announced partnership. This is another very interesting thing showing adoption, and FIFA will be exposing the Algorand brand and the crypto space in total on the world stage, partnering the main international governing body of football, which is FIFA, Soccer to Americans. In return for the advertising, media exposure, and promotional opportunities, Algorand will become FIFA's official blockchain platform, helping to develop its ongoing digital asset strategy. This is really bullish for Algorand, kind of showing why it has pumped while other altcoins have been moving downwards. And I also want to go over a story about Algorand partnering with a country and CBDCs. We have this story, which was about a year ago. And this was the Marshall Islands. Since then, I believe there are 16 other countries that are unknown, but this article here at coin.fyi is speculating on these countries possibly being what is on the list of Algorand before they unleash the names. So possibly Jamaica, Brazil, France, Switzerland, Nigeria, Canada, South Africa, Turkey, Israel. I don't know where this speculation comes from, but what is known is that they are currently, and by they I mean Algorand is currently speaking to 16 countries as they are looking to develop central bank digital currencies. Let's go back to the charts now. As you may well be aware of or not, the S&P 500 has taken a bit of a downward movement, especially today, since it's been announced that there is a 50 basis point rate hike. That's 0.5%. And that has kind of scared equities today after a kind of bullish movement yesterday, because I think the market was expecting a 75 basis point hike. There were rumors that there was going to be a spike of 75 basis point. There was a 50 basis move up, and I think the delayed reaction is due to that. I would not have entered the market yesterday after this move, but if you did, I feel sorry for you. This is not the moment to jump in front of this momentum downwards. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. I have rearranged the list of my alts in order of what is calling my attention. And ouch, Bitcoin 36,479, not looking good. We are below I believe the 100-day moving average at the moment. This is not looking too good, guys. But I'm loving it. I am ready to stack at a lower level. I'm hearing talks of, if we break below the $35,000 support, we could go as far down as about 28,000. That is yet to be seen. Short term, I am not too bullish on Bitcoin and altcoins. And it's just because, this asset class, although I am bullish long term, is just in the middle of the sea of a larger ocean of just choppy waters, to put it in that liquidity term. XRP 59 cents. seeing a lot of selling pressure from 65 downwards to 60. I think we could possibly be seeing 40 cents coming next. There are people online talking about a 30 cents XRP. I would love it. I would be stacking there. These are the coins I'm looking to stack if we do get further bearish movement. I have a helium miner on its way. Uniswap may go down to $5. Who knows? I'm looking to stack some Digibyte. Of course, this is not financial advice, but let's see. Digibyte is showing some weakness here for this month at these levels. A lot of selling pressure from about the 0.0213 cents mark down to where we are at about 0.0188. And we may see a sell-off down to like 0.0171. And that's where I will be looking to heavily stack. I am quite interested in AMP, and I should be looking to enter pretty soon. I'm loving it because this is where life-changing wealth is made. Before a rip upwards, CRO getting battered a long way down from where we were November 2021. We hit about 98 cents. We are now at 28 cents, and I think we may end up seeing about 22 cents. That is yet to be seen, though. I am very bullish on Algorand, as you heard just minutes ago. But if the entire market goes down, let me just delete that. That is no longer applicable. If the entire market goes down, beginning with equities, you could expect alts like Algorand, at least momentarily, suffer the same effects. 50 cents may be a good place to get in on Algorand. There are certain projects like Matic that you can't be mad at to enter it in at about this price. I would say just about anything at this moment. If you're looking long term to dollar cost average, I wouldn't be mad at anybody for getting in at these prices. I'm just being a little bit more cautious and would like to get more of a value enter price, somewhere like 90 cents for Matic. Chainlink, like, you cannot be mad at this price to start stacking a little bit here. But if this thing breaks down, you may end up visiting back at like between the $8 and $10 mark again. But as you could see with the Bollinger Bands, we're near the bottom of this range on the monthly charts. And so, we could definitely go much further down. That's what I'm counting on. But we're pretty near the middle range on all of these coins within Bollinger Bands. And I mean, who knows? Maybe we could just end up moving sideways for the remainder of the year. I don't think that's going to happen, though. Taking a look at macro and everything like that. But okay, I didn't want to stay on too long. Just wanted a quick little video for you guys. Hope this has been somewhat informative. Stay on the lookout for our next episode. And please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great weekend. Don't drink too much. Peace.